Okay, guys, this is John Trubisky. Um, 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 okay, guys. Yes, guys. This is my USB cord. And see, look at this. My a USB cord is broken. Yep, my USB cord is broken, and it's not that good anymore because it's broken. Yep, it's not that good because it's broken. Yep, yep. You can see that. My USB cord is broken. This is broken. My USB cord is broken. But not to worry, guys. Today, I just bought another USB cord for the PlayStation 4. Yep. This is for the PlayStation 4 USB cord. Yep. So, let's get to the unboxing of this. See, there's nothing inside. What was this? Yep. And so this what? Yep. And so this is what the USB cord is for PS4. This is what it comes with it. Yep. Yep. So this USB cord is pretty long. It's pretty cool. I got the PlayStation logo right here. Yep, I got the PlayStation logo right here. Yep. That's what it looked like. So, okay, YouTubers. If you guys like this video, won't you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more videos. So yes, this is John Trubisky, and I'll see you next time. Bye.